Experiencing problems with your T-Mobile 5G hotspot? Let's get it fixed. First, the most common culprit is the APN access point name setting. This connects your hotspot to T-Mobile's network. Ensure your APN is set to fast.tmobile.com. You can usually find this in your hotspot settings via the T-Mobile app or by accessing its web interface, often at 192.168.12.1. An incorrect or outdated APN will prevent connectivity. Also, confirm you have at least 2 to 3 bars of 5G signal. Weak signal can also cause connection issues. Power cycle your device to see if this resolves the problem. Finally, check your T-Mobile account status to make sure it is active. If the APN is correct and signal is strong, check NAT configuration. Network address translation lets multiple devices share one IP address, but issues can block connections or cause gaming lag. Enable universal plug-and-play in hotspot settings to fix NAT problems automatically. UPnP simplifies network setup by automatically opening ports. Enable it in your hotspot's advanced settings. If UPnP doesn't work, set up port forwarding manually. Access hotspot interface and configure ports for your applications. Keep firmware current to fix bugs. Use T-Mobile app or access Hotspot at 192.168.12.1 to check and install updates. If problems persist, perform a factory reset. Find the option in Hotspot settings, but backup data first as it clears everything. Remember, proactive firmware management and APN tweaks often precede full resolution.